All right? Very important. I now want you to work on hikote, the pull back. So here. Yes. And it really does need to be back. There's nothing left. The reason we pull it back is to engage the back muscles, okay? So, two fists, Joe. Ready? 2 fists. So, ich, pull back with your back or elbows. Knee. Yes. San, shi. Yes. Go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. Okay, shake it out. So it's very, very important that as you pull back, that your inside here is here on your body. This is super important on the way out and the way back. If on the way out you let it fall out, you are likely to have a snapping effect on your elbow and damage your elbow. Okay, this is one reason. The other reason is I want you to train all these muscles here for power and speed later on. Okay, so let's do it again. Ready? So, ich, ni, san, shi, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. Okay, shake it out. Okay. Really important to keep loose all the time. Power does not come through tension in here. Tension here slows down the action. Okay, so really avoid any tension up here and in here. All right, now we're going to do single shots. So think about this, straight through in the strike and chudan. Okay, so this hikote always has to be superb. Be very strict with yourself about this. Yeah, great, Joe. Great, everybody. Good, Peter. Yes, Caroline. That's it. So slowly now. I want you to focus on rubbing your arm on the inside of your body. Each. That's it. You have to time the twist now. Knee. That's it. Sun.
No, I can't see.
Squeeze this. She. Go. Twist this. Rock. Yeah, that's it, Caroline. Twist. Sit. Keep it. With this one that's coming out, you have to keep it, then twist on the end, okay? Hach. Yes. Relax those shoulders. None of this. Sit. Wrongs count. Hach. Twist. You need to twist a bit sooner, Caroline. Not this. Collapse. Yes. Okay. Great. Shake it out.